Okay, now moving on to the next question, question number 75. Statement 1. India's rank in the Global Innovation Index has improved significantly in recent years. Statement 2. India moved from the 81st position to 2015 and to 39th position in 2024. Statement 3. India's rank has consistently declined due to lack of innovation capacity. Okay, so if you know that, okay, so if you read the options, statement 1 is definitely correct, right? And statement 1 is definitely correct and statement 3 is actually contradicting statement 1. So definitely statement 3 will be wrong. Why? Because statement 1 is definitely correct. Because the options are in such a manner, right? None of the options actually, what you can say, says that statement 1 is wrong. In all these 4 options, it is under the assumption that statement 1 is correct, right? So statement 1 is definitely correct and statement 3 is actually contradicting statement 1. So immediately you can go to option C. Immediately, because one of the options is definitely incorrect. Okay, that is using logic. So even if I do not know anything about this, factually I don't know anything about this question, I can actually solve it using logic. Okay, but this does not work everywhere. It depends upon the question. Okay, so Global Innovation Index, important things you have to know. It is published by World Intellectual Property Organization, established in 1967. Okay, its headquarters is in Geneva. Okay, it has about 194 members. It is a specialized agency. Okay, it is a specialized agency. UN has about 15 specialized agency. WIPO, is one of them. It is under ECOSOC. So all of the specialized agency will be under one principal agency or the other. Okay, this is under ECOSOC. Okay, anyway, so that is the Global Innovation Index. So if you look at the 2025 report, India has again improved its ranking to 38. Okay, in 2025. So there is a chance for this to be asked in the exam because India has done very well. Okay, in certain aspects, like for example, the knowledge and technology output. Okay, the number of scientific reports, journals, etc. Okay, being published. Okay, in those kind of areas, India has showed that it has improved. The market sophistication. Okay, so certain indicators, with certain parameters within the Global Innovation Index, India has done extremely well. The knowledge output, knowledge and technological output. Okay, it refers to how much research material India is actually churning out. Okay, the volume. India has improved upon this as well as market sophistication. Okay, that also improved. Okay, just mention that's actually additional details. Just know that India has improved its position rapidly. Okay, from 81 in 2015 to 38 in 2025 report. Okay, so this is actually correct. Okay, so it's an important thing you have to remember. But if you study R&D sector, India is not actually compared to various other countries. India spends a very small amount on R&D, and that too is public sector dominated, right? 70%, so close to 63% is actually spent by the public sector. Okay, by public entities. Okay, private sector has very low share in our research and development expenditure in India, right? And as a whole itself, the R&D expenditure is less than 1%. It's 0.65% latest statistics of GDP, right? So that is also, just keep in mind those kind of things when you study this topic. Okay, so the answer will be C. Okay.